Hi, my name is Joe DePinto. I got into model race cars at the tender age of 8. When I first was introduced to model car racing, this was my first model car. Vintage 1963, it's a Cox, I believe, F1 Indy style car. And we would put a string on these and we would have a pin that would go anywhere from 10, 12, 15 feet away. And once we got the gas engine started, we would adjust the RPM of the engine and then put them down and basically time them going around in a circle for X amount of time. This particular car might do 25, 30 miles an hour tops, where in today's world, the tether cars will do anywhere from 150 to over 200 miles an hour on a cable. The cars evolved into radio control, which I got involved with in 1988. I started building cars and they came in kits and they became radio controlled. So therefore you're no longer limited to how far you can race them, meaning that they won't have a radius of 15 feet or a circle of 30 feet. Now we have these radio control cars that you can operate left and right, do road courses, and they will operate as far as you can see them. So the evolution of the model car racing has become tremendous over the years, and right now these are very, very popular. They have different models, different styles, and different classes. Hi, this is Joe DePinto. Welcome to Valkaria RC. I'm the race director today, and I'll be running the computer, setting up races. We have a few racers out here testing, getting ready for the VTS race number 1 in 2 weekends. They will want to get a jump on the competition, and on February 24th will be our first race of the 2019 season. Today is our first race of the VTA Championship Series. It's a point series that is 5 races long that we have people coming from all over the state, and they will compete throughout the year, and at the end of the season we'll have a award ceremony and they'll win prizes and awards and trophies for being champions.